3 healthy breakfast ideas. 3 simple ways to start your morning. Protein, fiber, healthy fats. Because a good breakfast should be nourishing, satisfying, and give you energy to carry you through the morning. First, we have this colorful chickpea breakfast. Roasted chickpeas, boiled eggs, cottage cheese, tomatoes, cucumber, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. The chickpeas bring fiber and plant protein. The egg and cottage cheese add more protein. And the almonds and pumpkin seeds bring healthy fats, minerals, and satisfying crunch. Then I finished it with fresh parsley and a little extra virgin olive oil. Simple ingredients. Put together, they make a filling and balanced breakfast. Next is one of my simplest breakfast plates. 2 slices of toasted bread, cottage cheese, boiled eggs, and colorful bell peppers. The bread provides carbohydrate for energy. The egg and cottage cheese add protein. And the peppers bring vegetables, color, and freshness. Then I added cucumber, almonds, and pumpkin seed for extra crunch and healthy fats. A little parsley, a little black pepper, and a drizzle of extra olive virgin oil to finish. Healthy doesn't have to be complicated. If you enjoy simple, healthy meals made with everyday ingredients, you are in the right place. I share balanced meal ideas every week. So subscribe to Ami Fresh Steady Energy Meals and let's make healthy eating easier. Back to the breakfast. And this one is ready. And finally, something a little sweeter. Creamy yogurt with banana, soaked with chia seeds, pumpkin seed, almonds, and a little cinnamon. The yogurt gives you protein. The chia seed adds fiber, and the nuts and seeds bring healthy fat and extra texture. Instead of having the banana on its own, I'm pairing it with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. That makes this a more balanced way to enjoy a naturally sweet breakfast. Simple, creamy, and satisfying. 3 healthy breakfast ideas. 3 simple ways to build a balanced morning. Protein, fiber, healthy fats. This is the kind of balanced breakfast I love building here. Which one would you try first? Tell me in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Eat healthy and take good care of yourself.